topic under classification of living things. So welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll go detail of these questions with each of their objectives with their answers. So let's go through it now. Classification is best defined as the dash A, study of plants and animals, B, naming of organisms, C, grouping of organisms based on similarities, then D, identification of organisms. The answer is C, which is grouping of organisms based on similarities. Question number 2. The smallest unit of classification is the dash. A, genus, B, family, C, species, D, kingdom. The answer is C, which is species. Question number 3. Which of the following is the highest taxonomic rank? A, class, B, order, C, phylum, D, kingdom. The answer is phylum, which is D. Question number 4. The system of naming organisms using two names is called A, taxonomy, B, classification, C, binomial, nomenclature, D, hierarchy. The answer is C, which is binomial nomenclature. Question number 5. In binomial nomenclature, the first name represents the A, species, B, family, C, genus, D, order. The answer is C, which is genus. Question number 6. Which of the following organisms belongs to kingdom Monera? A, amoeba, B, mushroom, C, bacteria, D, fan. The answer is C, which is bacteria. Question number 7. Organisms in kingdom Monera are A, multicellular and autotrophic, B, unicellular with true nucleus, C, unicellular without true nucleus, D, multicellular without nucleus. The answer is C, which is unicellular without true nucleus. Question number 8. Which kingdom consists mainly of unicellular eukaryotic organisms? A, Monera, B, Protista, C, fungi, D, plantae. The answer is B, which is Protista. Question number 9. An organism that possesses both plant-like and animal-like features belongs to A, Monera, B, Protista, C, fungi, D, animalia. The answer is B, which is Protista. Question number 10. Which of the following organisms is a fungus? A, moss, B, mushroom, C, spirogera, D, hydra. The answer is B, which is mushroom. Question number 11. Fungi differ from green plants because fungi dash A, reproduce sexually, B, are multicellular, C, lack chlorophyll, D, have cell walls. The answer is C. So if you are new in this channel, you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly like and subscribe this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a YouTube video like this, YouTube will send you notification. And also don't forget to share this video so that other people can benefit from this video. Alright, question number 12. That's the members of kingdom plantae are mainly A, heterotrophic, B, parasitic, C, autotrophic, D, saprophytic. The answer is C, which is autotrophic. Question number 13. Question number 13. Which feature is common to all plants? A, seeds, B, flowers, C, chlorophyll, D, vascular tissue. The answer is chlorophyll. Question number 14. Animals are different from plants because animals are A, multicellular, B, reproduce sexually, C, lack cell walls, D, respire. The answer is C, which is lack cell walls. Question number 15. Which kingdom contains organisms that feed by absorption? A, plantae, B, animalia, C, protista, D, fungi. The answer is D, which is fungi. Question number 16. The scientific name Homo sapiens refers to A, genus only, B, species only, C, family and genus, D, genus and species. The answer is D, which is genus and species. Question number 17. The binomial nomenclature, the species name is written in A. Capital letters, B. Small letters, C. Bold letters, D. Any format. The answer is B, which is small letters. Question number 18. Which group of plants have no vascular tissues? A. Angiosperms, B. Gymnosperms, C. Bryophytes, D. Pterophytes. The answer is C, which is bryophytes. Question number 19. Ferns belong to the group called A. Bryophytes, B. Pterophytes, C. Pteridophytes, D. Angiosperms. The answer is C, which is pteridophytes. Question number 20. Flowering plants are classified as A. Gymnosperms, B. Bryophytes, C. Angiosperms, D. Pteridophytes. The answer is C, which is angiosperms. Question number 21. Animals without backbones are called A. Vertebrates, B. Mammals, C. Invertebrates, D. Reptiles. The answer is invertebrates, which is C. Question number 22. Which of the following animals is a vertebrate? A. Earthworm, B. Snail, C. Lizard, D. Cockroach. The answer is C, which is lizard. Question number 23. Fish are classified as vertebrate because they possess A. Fins, B. Scales, C. Gills, D. Backbone. The answer is D. Backbone. Question number 14. Amphibians differ from fish because amphibians A. Live in water only, B. Breathe with gills only, C. Live both on land and in water, D. Have scales. The answer is C, which is live both on land and in water. Question number 25. Which class of vertebrates lays eggs? Lays eggs with hard shells. A. Amphibian, B. Reptiles, C. Apes, D. Mammalia. The answer is C, which is apes. Question number 26. Mammals are distinguished by the presence of A. Scales, B. Feathers, C. Mammary glands, D. Gills. The answer is C, which is mammary glands. Question number 27. The main basis for classifying animals into vertebrates and invertebrates is the A. Presence of limbs, B. Modes of reproduction, C. Presence of backbone, D. Body size. The answer is C, which is presence of backbone. Question number 28. Which of the following organisms is correctly classified as protista? A. Bacteria, B. Amoeba, C. Mushroom, D. Hydra. The answer is B, which is amoeba. Question number 29. The use of scientific names helps to A. Increase confusion, B. Replace classification, C. Avoid local name problems, D. Reduce organisms. The answer is C, which is avoid local name organisms. Question number 30. Which of the following pairs of organisms belong to the same kingdom? A. Mushroom and moss, B. Amoeba and euglena, C. Fan and fish, D. Bacteria and earthworm. The answer is B, which is amoeba and euglena. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. And if you have not yet subscribed or like and also share this video, please kindly do that so that whenever we upload a video, it will send notification.